Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the W family back again with another video. Hey, how you all doing? I hope you guys doing well. We are doing fine. We are doing good. So today I have a different type of video for you all, and I decided to do some cleanup in the house, and I'm starting with my refrigerator. Okay, it's 2024 and we got to fix some things. We got to fix some things, whenever it's new year, like we always want to, do some few things here and there, and then when we come like middle of the year, everybody just get tired, and but yes, it is what it is. So I was like, okay, I need to fix some things in this house because I'm actually not happy with how my house is looking right now. So it's gonna take many days to really do a big cleanup in the whole house. So I'm starting small, small, and today I'm starting with the refrigerator. So I'm gonna take out everything and then I'll wash everything. You guys can see it's not so dirty, but it's still dirty, okay? And all this dirt is just from the things, sometimes when you're tired, you just buy things. You just come and put it there, just put things anyhow, and that will make it dirty, yeah. So I decided to do the cleaning because seeing all these things, all these small small things, like look at this one now is celery and it's dried because I don't know how long this have stayed there, and this one is onion. So I was like, yo girl, you need to do something, okay? You really need to do something. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching this cleaning with me, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you do enjoy watching this video, this cleaning with me. And I also want to know, like, how often do you guys clean your refrigerator? Like, seriously, how often? Are you the type that cleans like every day, or every time you just buy something you feel like, okay, I need to clean before I put all the things I bought, or you clean every month or every week? Like, how often do you guys clean your refrigerator? Because for me, I really don't have like any routine like that, like every week I have to clean here, or every month I have to do this or do that, especially when it comes to refrigerator. No, sometimes I just clean when I see like it's too messy, too dirty. I'll just take something and clean it, you know like today now I was like, okay, this one is too much, this one is too much, this one I cannot just do something, small small. I have to take out everything and then clean it very well. And you can see here, those things there is actually this alligator pepper that my husband normally eats. So sometimes he will just keep them in the fridge here, and you have some small small seeds. So those seeds, when it's open, he will just keep it there, and sometimes those seeds will just fall there. But yes, anyways, so let me know in the comment section, how often do you guys clean your refrigerator? And I think like maybe now, this 2024, maybe I have to work better on routines. I'm not really a good person when it comes to routines, like only when it comes to my kids, okay? I should be frank, like when it comes to my kids, I'm very good at keeping the routine. But when it comes to every other things, myself, the house, I'm not so good. And that is something I really want to work on this 2024. Like I really want to work on it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
And of course, I got my little helper here. Like, you guys have already seen how much this girl is helping me in the kitchen. Like, whenever I'm in the kitchen, she will be there. Okay, it's not like baby Chloe. Baby Chloe doesn't really care so much about what I'm doing. She's will just watch her TV there, and maybe sometimes when she see mama is there with me, then she will just be like, okay, I want to be there also. But she's not really the type that really cares so much about coming to help me so much the way mama do. It's just so funny that two of them are really, their character, their personality is just totally different, like totally different. Seriously, totally different. And it's just so amazing to see. Like, it's just so amazing. I know where I got mama and I know where I got baby Chloe. So it's just so amazing to see how both of them are growing and with their different personalities. It's just so amazing. But yes, anyways, so she was there helping me because she loves to do it. She loves to do everything I'm doing. If it's cleaning, if it's cooking, if it's baking, if it's sweeping the house, like whatever it is, she will do it. The hair, like everything, name it. She will do it, okay? But yes, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. And if you do, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video. Do not forget to like the video, guys, please. It helps our channel when you like the video, because YouTube will recommend it to other people. Sometimes some of you do watch, but maybe you forget to click the like button before you click out. But please don't forget to always click the like button. Do not forget to always click it. And if you never subscribe to the channel yet, do subscribe and join the family. Okay, we would love to have you in the family right here, so do subscribe.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Okay, you guys, so finally I'm done with the first one. You guys can just see how clean and fresh it's looking to compare with the other one. It's not so dirty, but you know, you can see the difference. So now I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the first one. I'm gonna do it with the second one. I'm gonna take out everything and wash them, and then I'll put them back so I can put all the food stuff that I took out and just put them back. And over here I'm using this pink, it's called, to clean the outside. Okay, so finally now it's time to put back all the food stuff that I took out. Some of them I actually throw them because some of them was already expired. Not the baby food though. This one is baby Jidena's food. It's mostly fruit and yeah, all the stuff. But other things for the house, some of them were already expired. And now you can see, like, we have so much space. You can clearly see what we have and what we don't have, like, because sometimes when you just have so many things, you just keep searching for things and you just be like, oh, what is this, what is that? And sometimes because sometimes you even go to the market and you just buy some few things and think like you don't have it, you know, like me. I ended up having 3 Dijon there, like the mustard, because I thought I did not have it. I thought I did not have, because I had so many things in the fridge and I couldn't look for it. So now I'm seeing like I have 3 of them there already. But yes, I have to do quick and try to use them before they expire. So much space, and you can clearly see everything very well, very well, and everything looking just so clean, so fresh, so new. I feel like we just moved in this house and now I'm just putting all the things. And this one is, if you're Congolese, you know already. This one is pili pili. So it's basically just grounded pepper, you know. You just put a lot of pepper, you mix it with garlic, salt, onions, whatever, and then you fry it with some oil. Then you just keep it there in the fridge, so whenever you make your food, you're gonna put it there by the side, and then, you know, you'll be eating with it. And this one is just some chicken stew that we had left that my mom made. So I just kept a few in the fridge there, so maybe I'm gonna eat it today or maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But yes, it depends how I'm feeling, if I want to eat it or not. But anyways, you guys, we have come to the end of this video. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy watching. You guys can see how fresh, clean everywhere is looking, and you can clearly see everything. You can see everything, every single thing. You can see it. You don't need extra work to see it. You can see everything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy watching, and leave your comment down below. Do not forget to like the video, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also share to your friends and loved ones.